Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 3 hours and 33 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then some games, Chrome, etc. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can tap either inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check them and the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare it. Of course, you can tap on the specific day and here you've got all of the apps listed. What is more, if you will decide that you're using one of those apps too long, and then you can try to set the app limits. So for example, for the camera, just tap on this icon here, and now you can set the specific app limit for example 5 hours or 30 minutes or whatever you want. Then confirm it with OK, and then your device will set the limit. Let's go back. Here we've got also ways to disconnect. Again, we've got app limits, but we've got also something like bedtime mode or focus mode. So basically, for example, if you decide that you've got distracting apps, you can mark them. As you can see, I've got Chrome and Themes here, so let me put the camera again. Then we can set the schedule, so we can choose the start and the end time and specific days of the week. Then tap on set, and during the schedule your device will basically just limit the notifications from those apps. It will simply hide it, which is the best way to really focus on, I don't know, on work or school, or if you would like to just rest from this digital world, then it is the best idea. Alright, so this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.